Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in Target today and I just want to let you guys know that Valentine's Day has hit 90%. Yes, it hit 90%. And so yeah, you can get like candy, cards, all that stuff. But I wanted to come to you guys today to tell you guys about the purses. Yep, that's right. The purses, they are also 90% off. Isn't that wonderful? Come on now. All the ladies, come on now. We love purses. So this with the heart shaped is 90% off. This cute little bag is 90% off. This little handbag is 90% off. 90%. This chocolate, 90%. I don't like dark chocolate, but I know someone who does. This is 90%. I'm gonna go to the actual the scanner and show you guys what everything is ringing up. This is 90%, so just 50 cents. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the checkout thingy, the scanner. I'm gonna show you what everything is ringing up. So give me a second. Now that stuff up there is stuff that's not ringing up 90%. So I just separated it, but give me 1 second. Okay. So this thing. The purse. And this. Love is the answer. $0.50. And so of course I had to get at least some candy. So I don't think this is actually ringing up 90, so put that up there. But yeah, go check your stuff. Like I said, the stuff with the hearts are definitely 90. Just see, it's 29. It's ringing up 2.99. So go run. I'm gonna look and see what else I can find, and then I'll let you guys know. Okay. So you guys, this is what my clearance section looks like. As you can see, my stuff is ringing up 90%, not 70. And the purses were hitting clearance because they were over there with the regular purses, not with the clearance. This, I saw this, so. 39 cents. This isn't, I already tried. I think someone just put this in the wrong area. This thing is ringing up $8. These are ringing up 30 cents. There's only one in here, is it? One, maybe? Two. It's two in here. 30. What's the actual price? And then always when I get candy and stuff on clearance, I always check the date, and it's good, so no worries there. So I think I'm done. The flowers, they are, I believe they're on clearance as well, but I don't need any flowers because they're just gonna die unless I want to be all, you know, extra and put it in my bath water. But this is my cart, a little overview of my cart. So run, put your shoes on. This wouldn't scan, so I don't know. I may have to scan it at the register. So, and then this is my no-go pile. So I'm gonna put this stuff back and then I'm gonna go check out. And it looks like there is clearance items on looks like there are clearance on baby. So this isn't really showing a huge clearance, but sometimes they can be wrong. So scan. Just a quick little stop while I drop my stuff off. Okay, some kids items. Looks like a Valentine theme. So I'm gonna grab a few of these and scan them just so you guys will know if they are indeed part of the clearance as well. This is cute. They don't have my baby size though. He's getting big. But let me grab some of it. I'm gonna grab this girl one too. I'll grab some of it and scan it for you guys. And then they still have Christmas items. Well, my store still has Christmas items, so can't go wrong with PJs. I mean, they're gonna be in the house. Or if you know someone with a baby, believe me, it's always appreciated when someone thinks of me and my little one and they bring him clothes. So food for thought. Okay, so let's see. There we go. There definitely a go. This, let's see, it's just $8.99. It's definitely a go. Like, how can you not? I'm getting it. I know people. I'm getting them. $9.99. Yes, so this is $3.99. High percent. Yeah, they're 90. And then this is cute. 69 cents. Okay, you guys. I don't know how many times I told you guys I'm gonna leave, but I'm still here. While you're watching this video, if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video, because as you guys can see, it's like every day. Sorry. So quick update. There was a lady who was looking for baby shower items and I gave her the little baby items I just showed you guys. Because for one, I don't need it, and two, I bet she saved so much money. She was so thankful. So that's what my channel's all about. Helping you guys save, and yeah, I'm almost done. So like I said, I'm just putting this stuff back and then I'm going to check out. So yeah, there's really no need to show you guys my receipt afterwards, but I will show you guys the stuff ringing up at the register. I think that's it, you guys. So I'll end that little clip. I'll add that clip to the end. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Run out there, because now is like your best time because people are at work. Go get your stuff, save these coins, like this channel, like this video, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I love you guys. Remember to always be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, bye. 21 items, and my total is $26.87. 25.11 before tax, and 26. Now I'm just gonna pay. So of course I had to stop at Starbucks, but here's my receipt. All those savings, savings. $25, 21 items. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. That's all I have in this video. Thank you guys so much, and run to Target, and remember to always be a blessing to someone. Okay, bye.